There is another way to do images than what I showed you. So in this method, the method that we previously used, right, we've got kind of a lot of text all in here in the middle. And depending on how you like to look at things, you might not like seeing all of that code sort of right here. We can change the way that we did this. And it's up to you. So instead of doing it this way, we could instead use a image by reference tag. So it's really pretty simple to essentially, I could modify this. Well, yeah, whatever. Okay, so it's set up more or less the same way. We put in the title, image of, I'm just going to do the exact same image I already did, black and white kitten. And then in here, we add 2 more square brackets, and then here we put a reference number. All right, so I've put a 1 in there. And then after I've done that, this is like the image tag, right? That's all that needs to be there. Right now we can see it's not working, but that's because we're not done. So now we've added the 1 here, and this is telling this that whatever I put here is going to relate to this, right? They're connected by that number, right? So I'm telling the editor there's going to be an image here. You're going to look for my reference to number 1, and then when you find it, that's what's going to go there. So now here, I put in what goes there, which is going to be the URL for the image. And then I can put in the title here, right? Not the alt text, right? Remember, this is alt text. I think I called it a title a moment ago. This is the alt text. Here is the title or the caption or whatever you want to call it. So I can grab this and put that there. Now you might be saying, like, well, what's the difference between the two methods? Why do we have both? And really, there's not really a difference. It's really more of your preference, right? So this might look a little bit messier, especially if you have a lot of images. Some people might not like this. Instead, what we could do if we wanted to, we can take this code and we can put this code wherever we want to, including like at the end of the document. So if you wanted to, you could have a bunch of images sort of set up this way, and it can look a little bit maybe cleaner to you. And then later at the bottom of the document, you can just refer to where all those are. And that's images by reference.